Alright, today we are getting into the beauty boxes for October, and I only have 4. I might not be keeping the Kinder beauty box. I do want opinions on that, if I should keep it or not. I do want to know your thoughts. There are 4, they're all pretty much full size except for the Allure one. There are some sample size. I do not list the price of the sample size, but I do list the full size. And I do let you know if they are the sample size. So let's go ahead and get into it. I will have the prices of the subscriptions listed on the screen as well. The links are always in the description, so if there is a subscription you want to join, they are in there. Okay, so this is the Allure box. Yay. Okay. They tend to have more higher end stuff simply for the fact it is not focused on, like, I mean, it's Allure magazine. They tend to focus on high-end stuff, period, because it's that kind of magazine. But let's go ahead and see what they sent me this month. Okay, the first thing they sent me is a Maskin' and Relaxin', a moisturizing scalp mask. This is full size, and this retails for $11.99. Let's see it right there. This is definitely something I'm going to use because my scalp does get dry, especially in the winter time. So this kind of came just in time. This kind of looks like a mustard bottle to me for whatever reason, but I am going to try it because I do need the moisture. Okay, so the next thing we got here is Fluorine Verifying Serum. I have no idea if I said that right. It's Lily Bloom Hyaluronic Verifying Serum. This is full size, so this like really pays for like several boxes. This retails for $79. I'm not sure about this. I think that it'll probably just make my skin look really nice. But yeah, this is definitely something I'm going to use and try out. Okay, the next thing we have here is Caudalie, I don't know, primer eye cream. I'm confused. Is it primer or is it eye cream? Maybe both. I don't know. This is, it looks like this might be a full size too. And this retails for $28. I'm curious though. What is it? Apply morning and evening to eye and lip contours. So eyes and lips. I might just throw this in my bathroom and try it because I think that's kind of interesting. Okay, so the next thing we got is from First Aid Beauty. This is also, no, this is not full size. This is a deluxe sample size. This is, if you can see it, the full size retails for $20 and is 1.7 ounces. This is 9.9 ounces. But this is an anti-chaff stick. For like your thighs and stuff because of the rubbing, you know. If you know, you know. So that's what that is. I'm going to, I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I might use it. I'll tell you a secret. If you have a chafing problem with your thighs, the best thing to do is get some sponges, body sponges. I'm not talking about those plastic loofahs and stuff like that, or wash rag, whatever. Get those like spongy, natural sponges, whatever, and use that in your shower on your thighs every day. It exfoliates, gets rid of all the dead skin, and it helps so much. That's the best thing I've ever done. So try that out, see if it helps. But I might use this. It might be good on like the heels of your feet when you've got new shoes and stuff like that. I don't know. I may or may not use this. I have no idea. Okay, so the next thing we got here is Tease Cosmetics Suit of Armor Don't Blush Me Blusher in Mauve. Now that's not a color I really have. I usually don't keep singles of stuff like this because I have a lot. I might keep this because I don't think I have anything in mauve. Let me open this real quick. I might actually have some colors like this, but this is, yeah, I'm gonna try it out. This right here, this one size right here retails for $22. But yeah, I think I'm gonna try that out. I think that's a really pretty color. Okay, so the next thing I got here is Kristen S's Oversized Scrunchie in Cheetah. And this retails for $11.99. This is not something I'm going to use. It's first of all, my hair's a little short right now, but this is just not really my style. So I am going to stick this in my big giveaway bin. I have no idea when I'm going to be doing it next, but I am collecting, I am getting ready. Alright, so the next thing I got is Style Edit Root Concealer Touch-Up Spray in medium. I think this is medium blonde. No, it just says for blondes, but medium blonde. That's not really my hair color. Like, I have highlights and stuff put in, but still not right color for me. So going in my giveaway bin. This is full size and retails for $14.99. So yeah, there's that. We're moving on to the next box. Next box is Eyescream Beauty. If you're new to my channel, this box big claim to fame is it really focuses on indie brands, and it does a really great job of that. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing I'm pulling out here is a palette. I'm probably going to keep this one because I kind of looked at it before because it kind of got my attention. This retails for $36. This is Graveyard Smash Palette by Wicked Widow Cosmetics. I've literally never heard of the brand, so exciting for me. The color story is very interesting. You see that right there. I'm going to swatch them so we can look at them. Okay, so this is a very interesting color story. Like, more interesting even on the hand than it looked like in the palette. I am very curious about this palette. If you'd like me to create a look with it and check it out together, let me know. I will definitely do that. Okay, so the next thing we got here is Color Base Primer. This is Beauty Creations Dare to Be Bright. This is a blackout primer. This retails for $5. I'm actually going to give this a try because a lot of people do use the color primers if they want to exaggerate a color or kind of create a different look. I've not really explored that, mainly because of the fact that my eyelids are kind of funny, and if I use certain primers it creases up really bad, and I don't want to put a primer on and then it crease up and then it just destroys everything that I was going for. So I probably will try this, see if the primer is any good, and see if it creases up on me or not. So yeah, I'm probably gonna try that. Okay, these kinds of things absolutely excite me. This is pH Color Changing Lip Gloss by Illuminati Cosmetics. This retails for $20. So this is green in here, and this is supposed to change to a pink, varying on your particular body chemistry, your pH level, and all that stuff. So I'm going to try to open this, which right now I'm failing at, but I'm going to try. Okay. I finally mastered opening it. There it is. Ooh, it almost glows. Okay, anyways, let's swatch it on my hand and see what happens. See, coming out of it, it looks very clear. Put extra on here. We'll be generous. Okay, apparently my pH level is not turning very pink, but you can kind of see it starting to show up right there a little bit. But yeah, it's not coming out green. It's definitely a pink color. I do think this is really kind of cool, and we'll definitely be using it. You can see the glitters in it too. So I do like it for the glitters, if nothing else, because just glitter is my addiction. Okay, so the next thing we got is Rodeo Drive Highlighter from Ofra Cosmetics, and this retails for $22. I'm not keeping this. That's going in my giveaway bin as well. It retails for $22. I've had this before, and so I can tell you it's a beautiful color and it wears very well. I just have a lot of highlighters this color are with similar formulas and stuff, so it's like I kind of want things a little different, sometimes a little extra sparkle, a little more natural, just variations. That's it. So I'm going to pass this along into my giveaway bin. So that leaves me with one last thing in that box. Of this is Delanchi Liquid Blush. Now I've used some of the eyeshadows, the duochrome eyeshadows that they put in those boxes before, and I love it. I do use a lot of liquid blushes. I just find them really convenient, and in the wintertime I kind of like them because of the simple fact that it keeps your skin looking dewy and fresh, and in the winter your skin tends to be dry, so I like the contrast to the season kind of look sometimes. So this shade is an Artrium After Moon. That's what it says. This is what it looks like. And I am swatching that because I am gonna use it. So the applicator is a little Defont thing right there, and we are putting it on. This is really pretty. This is really pretty. It kind of has like, I want to say it's a pink, but it has like a little bit of a peach look to it. Very blendable. I think that's a really pretty color. Alright, so we're moving into the next box, which is kind of beauty box. I don't think this box that they sent me is like the actual box for October, because I've looked at it and it just doesn't look like it. I'm still excited about it, don't get me wrong, but I don't think it's it. Yeah, and I don't know if I'm going to keep this subscription or not. I do want your thoughts down below if you think this is worth keeping or not. I just don't know. I kind of like it and I kind of not. Their big claim is they like to stick to the more natural brands, which is pretty awesome too. So let's get into it. The first thing I got here is Earth Harbor. This is a regenerative neck cream. It's seaweed, amino acid, and copper peptides. So this is the box. I will have the price listed on the screen because I don't have any prices with me. This is what it looks like. This is a nice blue color, or sea color, I don't know. But anyways, it is very pretty. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not. I might. I'm at the age where you should start taking care of stuff. Like, I'm in my 40s. You should start caring a little bit more about what's going on down here and in your arms and stuff, because it's going to start showing soon. So if you don't and you're just taking care of your face is going to look young and useful, and everything else is going to tell on you. So yeah, I probably should use it. Alright, the next thing we got, well, I'm going to show these two things together because it kind of makes sense to have them together. We've got a L'Oreal brow brush right here. If I can get it out. There it is. Now, I've gotten several brushes from this brand. They are very, very nice and very luxe. So I already know I'm going to enjoy this. And then I've got this from Jasmine Beauty. This is Brow Boss Brow Styling Wax. Now, I don't really have much brows, so let me see if this has a color to it. Because if it has a color to it, I might use it. But like, if not, I don't know, because again, I don't really have much brows. If it wasn't for makeup, I would have none. Yeah, this is clear. I'm not going to use that. I'm a little disappointed because I really don't have brows and I really kind of want to use it. So I think what I'm going to do is stick the brush and the brow wax in the big bin for the next giveaway, because I mean, again, I'm not going to use it. Maybe somebody else will be blessed with it who has brows, and it make the world of difference for them. So passing that along. Okay, so this is definitely something I will use. This is Sensuals natural and organic skincare, 100% natural. This is grapefruit and turmeric hand repair cream with organic shea butter. So it has like a lot of like really good things going on here, like a whole list of it right here. I'm definitely going to use this because winter's pretty much here and dry hands. Well, I guess technically it's still fall. I don't really know when winter starts. All I know is the weather's changed and I feel it on my hands. Okay, so the next thing we have is Allwell Face and Body Mask. I've gotten this before. This works really, really good. This is probably one of my favorites as far as what it does to my skin. My issue with this is it is like a really dark mud mask and it's very messy. Yeah, that's my only complaint, is it's very messy. This is made in the USA, but it works beautifully. Because I have used it before and I already have my feelings about it, I'm going to pass this along, stick this in my big bin for my giveaways. Okay, last box is the Ipsy box, or technically it's Boxy Charm by Ipsy, but same difference. We are going ahead and getting into it. Okay, so the first thing we got is another Earth Harbor product. This is Calypso I did pick this one. I think I picked this one. I don't remember. But I am big on my hydration products, so yeah. That is, it's got sea berry and COQ10, whatever that is. That is what it looks like. It has a nice glass bottle. I prefer glass bottles over the plastic ones when it comes to like skincare, because it just preserves the natural benefits of the product better. Okay, next we got Ultra Repairing Hair Mask from Palalo and Company. This is in Vanilla Boost. I use my hair mask all the time because my hair has a natural wave and curl to it, so it tends to be on the drier side and I need to keep hydrated. I don't like using heavy products because my hair is not very coarse and thick, so I need something that's not going to weigh it down and keep it hydrated and moist. So I love hair masks because they help restore some of that. Okay, so this is Allure Beauty Blush and Bronze Palette. Y'all know I'm not really big into bronzes. I did look at this palette online. And opened, it looks like this. I do think I'm going to keep this though, because these are colors I will use. I don't think anything in here is too dark for my skin. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch it so we can see what the colors look like on my skin. Okay, so these are the colors. They are very velvety to the touch, so they do feel really nice. Now this color right here might be a little too orange for my skin, but if I mix it with one of the other colors it might work. So I think this is a good palette choice for me. Alright, so the next thing we got is Illuminating Face Moisturizer from Aloe Glow System. Now I have used this before. I've used this moisturizer before and I really enjoyed it, and I'm probably going to use it again because I enjoyed it that much. I'll show you the container. I love how simple and clean the container looks. Very nice. But yeah, if you haven't tried this moisturizer out before, I do recommend it. It is very nice, very hydrating, and it is made in California, so US brand. Okay, so the last thing we got is a palette from Icon London. Now this is a very beautiful palette, but I have tons of palettes like this, so this is not something I'm going to keep. You can see that right there. Nor am I swatching it because I do not want to put my fingers all over something that's going to someone else. So this is going in my big bin of future giveaway as well. Yeah, I hope whoever gets it enjoys it. I think it's a beautiful palette other than that. So that is it of this video. Let me know your thoughts down below on these beauty boxes. Which ones are, you know, which ones do you like? Just let me know. Otherwise, if you like this video, please don't forget to like it. If you want more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.